Today's R&B and Old School Hot 105. We are at the Family Fun Day presented by the Children's Services Council of Broward County. We're at the Reverend Samuel Delvaux Park in Fort Lauderdale, and at this park right now we have every agency that deals with your child from infant to 17 years of age. We have providers, we have opportunities for health, we have swimming lessons. Any and everything that you can think of concerning your child is here right now at the Children's Council Resource Fair.
It's a great honor to be down here in Broward County to be a part of this event, to raise awareness regarding child abuse prevention. When we can stop abuse, we know we can create stronger families and communities. It's great for the radio station to be out here because you're giving us a greater voice. It's such an important component, and we're so very thankful for your support, Rodney, and for Hot 105.
For many years now, Cox Media, you guys have been here promoting this event, supporting this event in this community. You prove year in, year out how much a member of this community you are, how much importance you put to ensuring that everyone here gets the resources, the information necessary, and there's no better way to do it through the power of the media like you guys.
Check us out at hot105fm.com for more information. It's a festive time at the Reverend Samuel Delvaux Park. I'm Rodney, Hot 105.